Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a community group in WhatsApp Business. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, if you haven't done so already, open up your Player App Store and search for WhatsApp Business. Then from here, click onto WhatsApp Business and download and install it. Once you've done that, you need to open up WhatsApp Business. Alright, so go ahead and open, agree and continue. And now you need to verify your phone number and log in, and I'll see you on the other side. All right, now once you've logged in, we want to click on the chats, and from here we need to click on the three dots in the top right hand corner, and now tap on communities. Then from here it'll say stay connected with a community, so click on start your community and then click on get started. And now you want to give this community a name, so I'm just going to give it a random name, calling it YouTube channel. Now I'm going to click on the arrow. From here you'll come to this page with your community name here with one group. Then from here we can go ahead and add our groups. So groups added to the community will appear here. Community members can join these groups also. So click on add group. And now we want to go ahead and click on create new group or add existing group. So for this demonstration, we want to go and click on create new group. So this group name is going to be called test. And then I'll give it a description if I like. And also we've got some settings here. We can enable disappearing messages. The group visibility can be visible or hidden. And also we've got group permissions here. And if you want to go ahead and add members, we can add members by clicking that plus icon. We can also give this new group an image as well. So we can upload an image here. And then once you're done, click on the tick icon. Now it's going to go ahead and create that group. Then from here, you've successfully created your community group in WhatsApp Business.